Okay everyone, let's move ahead and now we all are going to open our SRBs. Please open your SRBs everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there you will able to see some job descriptions are there. You have to choose any two descriptions
Yes, ma'am.
and do not find the exact job where you are interested to apply, as in the real career fair you will not see the exact jobs that you want to apply. So you can just still talk to employers. It's still good because in future you can get some other jobs, right? So you do not have to check the exact job where you are interested. You can select any two job descriptions, and for that you all are going to write 3 questions. How many questions will you write?
3 questions, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to select 2 job descriptions, and for that you are going to write 3 questions. And you can write the questions like, can you please tell me more about this position or the job? Can you please tell me something more about the company? What are some responsibilities, key responsibilities of this position? In this way you can frame some questions. Okay, or is there any professional growth in that career or in that company? In this way you can frame some questions to your HR or employer. Have you all understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same manner you people are going to write the questions. For that you have 5 minutes. Please go ahead. Have you all done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we can listen to some people and we will start from this side. Yes, please share your answer.
Ma'am, I have chosen Star Academy Preschool Teacher, and the second one is Coffee Club.
Very nice. Next, and have you written the questions also?
Yes, ma'am.
Please share your questions.
Ma'am, for the Coffee Club, I have written the timing when I have to come and when I can go back to my home. And the second question is, do I have to prepare it or somebody else will prepare it and I have to serve it?
Relevant question, yes.
And the third question is, do I need to be fluent in English or Hindi or English both I can use?
Good job. Next, you can also answer for the same question.
Ma'am, I have chosen Total Tech and Excellent Events. So my questions are, as I am experienced, but there are some people with me who also want to work in this.
Yes.
So I have written that can experience or fresher both can apply. And I am not good at photography. Can I apply for this job? And will I get 2 days leave in a week?
Fabulous, you have written very nice questions. Okay everyone, so now we all are going to practice it with the help of a wonderful activity. Are you ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for that we will be get divided into 2 teams, okay, or 2 groups you can say. Group A and Group B. So here, this side people will be in Group A and this side people will be in Group B. So in the first round, there will be 2 rounds. How many rounds will be there?
2 rounds.
Okay. So in the round 1, people who are from Group 1, they will become employer. And people who are from Group B, they will become employee. So here we are going to prepare that if I am, let's say I am employer, so how will I interact with my employee? How will I greet them? And how will I talk to them? how can I ask about their resume, or how can I tell my company details there? And if I am playing the role as a employee, then how can I greet my employer? What kind of questions I can ask? As you people have written some questions, you people are going to ask the questions. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, everyone. So as we people are going to practice, so here for group A and for group B, I have written some guidelines on the board, which will be following by group A and group B. So as we know, group A will be employers group and group B will be job seekers. So here the thing that you people need to follow: if you are employer, that means group A, you are going to greet and listen to your job seeker. Second thing that you are going to do is answer the question are not included in job description. That means if your job seeker want to ask anything, you are going to answer for that question. Let's say you have missed to mention some of the things in job descriptions, so you can answer for those questions, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
for job seekers, what you people are going to do: first you are going to give your first you are going to greet, and then you are going to give your elevator speech, right? And
Yes,
next, you people can prepare some questions so that you can ask, as you people have already prepared 3 questions. Do you remember? So that the questions you can ask from your HR or from your employer. So you are going to prepare questions. Third, collect contact information. So when you are there in career fair, try to collect some of the contacts, so that after the job fair or career fair, you can ask, or you can just contact to them for asking for job. And next, you may leave your resume. And I know you people do not have your resume right now, but you can make it practice to take your resume, and you can just give your resume to your employer. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I believe these guidelines are understandable for you people.
Yes, ma'am.